Okay, I'm going to be using a slightly different method of preparing these blackberries for saving seeds than I would normally use. Instead of using a blender, I'm using a fork because I don't want to damage the seeds too much. So instead I'm going to mash these. I collected them this evening. It's July the 12th. The berries are a bit late this year for ripening. I have another batch that's moldy. I'll be saving the seeds anyway. I mentioned earlier, if I were to use a blender, I would prematurely scarify the seeds, and as they're being rinsed, they would be soaking, so I'm just smashing them instead. And then I'll rub them with sandpaper later when I actually need them to sprout. Hopefully this helps the germination process better. It's usually recommended. I'm going to try washing them with a pressure hose this time, as well to remove most of the debris. From then on, I'll just be drying them for about 24 hours and following the standard procedure for saving blackberry seeds. I still don't know why many tutorials online tell you to stick the seeds through a blender when that could actually prematurely damage the seeds before they're supposed to be sprouted. I didn't get to be able to fully remove the debris off by pressure washing it. I'm going to try rinsing off with water instead. Hope it works. For about 45 minutes of rinsing, I'm going to go dry them off now and see about performing the same process with my other moldy berries. I found out only one of the berries in my other batch was moldy, so I just tossed it out, and now I'm mashing the other berries right here. I'll show you when I'm done. A few hours, the seeds have finally dried. If I can get a close-up here, you may notice that the outer seed coat has shriveled a bit. That's happened every single time I dry the seeds, so it should be expected. So that's all I have for this recording. Hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like more crappy content, you can go ahead and subscribe. Whatever, signing out.